Hello everyone, welcome to Hengyin live show. Today we will take you into our factory to have an online visit. In this way, you can, even if you cannot come to China, you can also find a real and good Chinese factory. First, let me introduce our factory. Our company, Henan Hengyin Automation Technology Cooperative Limited, was founded in the year 1996. We produce almost all products used for pig farm, like hot galvanized pig crates, stainless steel pig feeder, different sizes of PVC panel, different sizes of plastic floor. And we also have a microclimate system and automatic feeding line, and also the water supply for the whole pig farm. And we also have our own pig farm nearby. It's not far from our factory. It's 4,500 south. And so for our company, we not only produce the pig farm equipment, we know how to raise pigs so that we can give better service to our customers. Okay, in that way, there are three companies. Let's come nearly and have a look. These three companies are our partner company. The leader company is a German company. It's the early company that produces pig feeding, liquid feeding system and electronic feeding station. For HL, it's also a German company, a European company. It produces the pig sorting station, pig sorting system. For these two companies, we are their distributor in China, and we also produce some parts of their products. And for the third company, Davros, it's a Russian company. It's the top 10 company in Russia that produces pigs. They also do the meat processing and also the feed production. In 2017, we have supplied them with 2 pig farms. Each pig farm is 2,700 sows, and with the complete pig penning system and feeding system. And from that time we have established a good relationship with this company. And in 2019, we plan to work together to build pig farms in China. But because of COVID-19, the cooperation was delayed. But now our partner in Russia plan to come to our factory again this month to talk about more cooperation with our company. So, okay, now let's look inside the factory and have a look. This is our office building for office staff. We have several departments for our office staff. In the first floor, we have the department for quality control, department for sales team and after sales team, and also department for research and development. For the second floor, there are departments for the purchasing and for the financial department. And in the right side, it's in the first floor, it's the office for the engineering team. They make the pig farm design and also the product drawings. Okay, let's come inside. Behind the office building, we have 3 workshops. Workshop 1 is for the laser cutting, the robot welding, label welding, and also the PVC production line. Okay, let's move that way. These are our cooperated companies in China. Tanrenshin Group, New Hope Group, East Hope, Muyuan, and also NetEase, DBN. They are the large group of companies in China who produces pigs, and they are also the world top companies. They are also the companies who produces pig in the world, because China is the most pork consuming country. And this is our product patent. The patent for round section plastic floor, the patent for welfare fairing crate, the semen selection crates, the liquid feeding, the feed trough for liquid feeding, and also the milking system for the piglet, and also other patents, the heating floor, and also the sorting station. Okay, let's move to another area. These are our awards. The first one is to show that we are the high technology enterprises, and we also have cooperation with the two universities in China. The University of Henan University of Technology, and also Henan University of Animal Husbandry and Economy. For the Henan University of Technology, we have the department for research and development in this university. And for the Henan University of Animal Husbandry and Economy, they are the only university in China who educate the students for animal husbandry, and we have cooperation with them. And also we have one showroom in the university, and also we have the one office there. This is the award for Henan Province Intelligent Pig Raising Equipment. It shows that we are the high technology equipment. We have the ability to do the research and development, because for our company, we have our own liquid feeding system. We research and develop the computer control system for the liquid feeding. Okay, let's move on. This is the picture with our director and the leader in government leaders. They come to our factory to check and give us some support. And for this one, this is the picture with government officials and also with our Russian customers who has ordered two, we have supplied them 2 pig farms in Russia. Each farm is 2,700 sows. This is our one of our Chinese customer, and also our partner in WIDA, in Germany, WIDA company. Our Chinese customer and our director visited the WIDA company. They took a picture. DBN is also one of our partner in China. We not only produce equipment for them, we are also their partner in China. Okay, let's go inside to the engineer office. For engineer office, where we put them in the first floor near the workshop, because they frequently go to the workshop 1 to check samples. So it's convenient for them to go to the workshop conveniently. Now the engineer is working now. He is making the product drawing for one customer. our engineer team is responsible for the product drawing, for pig farm design, and for equipment calculation for customer. Okay, let's move on. This is one of our small showrooms. We also have one showroom in workshop, in the third workshop. Later, we will see it. This is the Wida company, our partner company. This is their electronic sow feeding station. We are their distributor in China, and we provide them to Chinese customer. And for some parts, we also produce, and we also produce for them in China. Okay. Here there is a model for the whole pig farm. It shows customer what a modern pig farm should be like, and it also shows customer what we are doing and what we can supply. Our company can do the turnkey project from the pig farm farm site selection, pig farm design, equipment production, and equipment installation, after sales service. For this, it uses the liquid feeding system. This is a gestation house, farrowing house, nursery house, weaner house, and fattening house. And this is a dry feeding system. And this is pig raising in the high building. We have experience in supply high building equipment for Chinese customer. For high building pig raising, it needs good microclimate system, good manure treatment, and also the good biosafety system. We have the experience to supply the whole system for the customer. And for this, it's developed by our company, the control system for the microclimate. Okay, let's move on to the first workshop. For the first workshop, it's mainly doing the laser cutting, robot welding, labor welding, PVC production line, and welding for the stainless steel products like the stainless steel pig feeder, stainless steel feed trough. Okay, come here. Hello. This area is for robot welding. When we make the standard product for mass production, we will use the labor welding. Let's come inside and have a look. For each product, we before they make the large production, they will produce a sample first, and our quality control team will check the sample to make sure there is no problem. Please, we can see the labor welding, robot welding there. Material. We have several robot welding machines to ensure the large production capacity. if the customer has a requirement for the production time and the delivery time, we can use the robot welding. This is for standard product. If for the customized product, we will use the labor welding. Labor welding is mainly for the customized product. All this area is for the robot welding. In front, there is a labor welding. This is the sample for one of our Chinese customer. Before we do the mass production, we will install one sample and we send pictures and videos to our customer to after they satisfy with the design, we will do the large production. And you can see there's a hole here. It is for doing hot galvanization, both inside and outside the pipe. And for the holes, we will smooth it, making it smooth to so that it will not hurt pigs. 就是咱那个管插的那个管插的侧。Okay, let's go that way. For our because we mainly supply the large group companies, the pipe we use is the national standard. We don't use the pipes that doesn't meet the national standard quality. Okay, now let's let our quality control colleague to check the pipe diameter and the thickness. The thickness is 2.5 millimeter. And let's check the diameter of the pipe. It's 6分管。6分管。It's the 3/4 pipe. It meets the national standard. 1寸管的，有没有1寸管的？ Now we check one. Okay, let's move to another area. And for this live show, if customer is interested in our product, you can contact us. And if you see that you are contact us from the live show, we will have promotion for the products. Now let's move to the laser cutting area. This laser cutting machine really produces the stainless steel pig feeder and also the feed truck for liquid feeding, and also also for the production of PVC connections, the column for PVC connection. And this is some accessories that we produce by the laser cutting machine. We can cut different shapes of a product. This is some installation accessories for the pig penning system. We have different machines for laser cutting. Some machine produces the stainless steel feeder. Some machines produce the column for PVC connection, and some machines produce these installation accessories. Okay, let's move on to see another laser cutting machine. Why we have a different laser cutting machine? Because the thickness of the stainless steel plate is different. Some machines can cut the thin plate, and some machine can cut the thick, the thick plate, the thick stainless steel plate. Okay. This is another laser cutting machine. For that one is it's cutting the thicker stainless steel plate. Stainless steel pig feeder and the stainless steel PVC connection is also our one of our main products. You can see this stainless steel is very thick. So we have different machines to produce the different stainless steel products. Let's come near and have a look. It's also some installation parts for the pig plates. We can cut the not only for the stainless steel pig feeder, but also some different shapes of the stainless steel plate. Okay, let's move to another area. These are our bending machines. The connection, the profile for PVC connection. After the laser cutting, we will do the bending here. We will give a detailed look for the workers' work. It is producing the column, the profile for PVC connection used in the pig crease system. So we produce almost all parts for the pig farm equipment. From the PVC panel, the stainless steel feeder, the mounting accessories, stainless steel mounting accessories. You can see the product, this is the PVC profile after laser cutting and after bending. It will be used in the pig crease system, the penning system for PVC connection. This is the product after laser cutting, ready to do the bending to make it the PVC column. Okay, let's move on. These are also our bending machines. We have several machines for bending. Now let's move that way. It's for the welding of saw feeder, stainless steel feeder for saws. You can see the welding part is very beautiful, and we will do some treatment to make it more beautiful and with a good function of anti-corrosion. So the stainless steel saw feeder is also produced in our factory. Let's look at the details. It's a beautiful welding. Okay, let's move on. This area is for the installation of stainless steel pig feeder. And also some products are ready to send to our customers. For domestic customer, Chinese customer, we usually install and send. For the foreign for the customer in other countries, we will send the disassembled parts to the customer. But before we send, we will take in, operation installation videos to them, and also we have the drawing the operation manual for them, so that there's no problem for them to do the installation. Now our worker is doing installation for one of the stainless steel pig feeder. We have many different types of stainless steel pig feeder, like dry feeder, dry wet feeder, the feeder for fattening pigs, the feeder for nursery pigs. And we have different designs, different sizes for the stainless steel feeder. So these already can meet the most customers' requirement. But if some customer has their own requirements, we can also make a customized design for them. Okay, let's move that way. There is the feed trough for our Russian customer. It's the liquid feeding, the trough for liquid feeding system. Is already we already do the installation according to customers' requirements, and it's ready to send to our Russian customer. Maybe we will send it tomorrow. This is the customized design. The customer give us the drawing, send us their requirement, and we make one sample and send one sample to them. After they check the sample, there's no problem. They are satisfied with the design, then we make the mass production for them. If some parts need to revised or doing modification, we will do here and take pictures, send videos, or send them samples. This design is we already sent them sample, and they are satisfied with the sample. Then they make an order, and it will be delivered tomorrow. It's the feed trough for liquid feeding system. Now let's see different designs of our stainless steel pig feeder. We have the feeder for wiener crate, the feeder for the fattening crate for the fattening pigs, and there are different holes. We also have the single side or double side stainless steel feeder. These two are the stainless steel feeder for fattening pigs, and also for gilts, for balls. For wiener pigs, we will use the smaller one. You can see this one is the single side. This side doesn't have the feeding places. It's the single stainless steel feeder. The divider is different. This one is the solid plate. This one is by the wear because a different customer has a different requirement. So we produce according to their requirements. This one is also the single side stainless steel feeder. Okay, let's move on. In front is the area for our PVC production. This is the PVC panel used for the firing crate and the winner crate. It's 50 centimeter high and 3.5 centimeter thickness. We have many different sizes of PVC panel. The PVC panel for the firing crate, for nursery crate, for fastening crate, and also we have the wall panel, the ceiling panel. And in front, I will show you all sizes of our PVC panels. This is the PVC panel for our South Korean customer. We have a cooperation with them since 2019, and they make order each year for around 20 containers of 40 high Q. It's around 50,000 meter each year. And this company is a construction company. They use this wall panel for, they use this PVC panel for walls and for the partitions, dividers of the pig house. This PVC panel has the connection. It can be connected together. It's easy for installation. The size is 50 centimeter high and 5 centimeter thickness. The thickness is 5 centimeter. It's thicker than the PVC panel used for winner crate, firing crate. Okay, let's move on. These are ready to ship products. We may deliver it within this week and produce new product. Here we are at our PVC production line. We have different molds to produce different sizes of PVC panel, and also we have the mold to provide this PVC pipe. It's for the automatic feeding system. Okay, in that area, it's the raw material of our PVC panel. Let's come nearly to see how it works. We can go inside to have a look at the PVC production line. You can see that the raw material comes from the pipe, and we do the mixing. After mixing, we'll do the heating and then extruding, then make it cooling, then make it straight. And in that end, the worker will cut the PVC panel into different lengths. Let's give a detailed look of our PVC production line. You can see that we have different lines of PVC product production because it is for different sizes of PVC panel. And in this area, it's this is the machine for producing the PVC pipe used for automatic dry feeding system. Okay, let's move that way. This is PVC panel just produced by our worker. And you can see the after extruding, cooling, and make it straight, then they will cut it into different lengths for different use. And we have a quality control team. They will check the sample. They will check the product after production to check if it is straight, and also to check the inside thickness and outside thickness of the PVC panel. Okay, here I will show you our different sizes of PVC panel. This is the panel that we sent to our South Korean customer. It's 50 centimeter high, and the thickness is 5 centimeter. It's used for wall panel and partitions of the pig house. After production, our quality control team will check the inside thickness and outside thickness of the pipe. If it is doesn't meet the requirement of the quality, they will produce again, and it will not deliver to our customer. We can check the thickness, outside thickness of the pipe. 多少？再看一下。Let's see the thickness 多少？it's 2.56. It's 2.56. The requirement should be 2.5. So it's meets the quality. It meets the requirement of the quality. Okay, let's cut the inside thickness. It's 1.9, nearly 2 millimeter. When it is about 1.5, it meets the standard. So this meets the requirement of the standard quality. And we will also see if it is smooth and straight of the PVC panel. This panel is easy to install. Customer use it for the wall, PVC wall. You can see that it's easy to make installation. Our South Korean customer is very satisfied with this PVC panel to use it on wall panel, because it's very easy to do installation, and it's also fire-proof. The PVC material has the function of fire-proof. And this one is the ceiling panel. It uses the ceiling of the pig house. We use this in our Chinese customer and also some customers in the foreign countries. And also we use this in our own pig farms. I will let our colleague to make installation for this. It also has the hook, so it's easy to do the installation. It's for the ceiling panel. Because PVC panel has the function of fire-proof, so it's good material to use it in the inside pig house because of its fire-proof function. It's the ceiling panel. The thickness is 2 centimeter thick, and for this one the height is 60 centimeter. And we also have other sizes of PVC panel. This PVC panel is 75 centimeter height and 3.5 centimeter thickness. This one is 90 centimeter height and 3.5 centimeter thickness. This one is 60 centimeter height and 3.5 centimeter thick. This is for the mainly for the fattening pigs, for gilt pigs. This one is the main panel that's used for the foreign crate and the Jersey crate. It's the 50 centimeter height and 3.5 centimeter thickness. Here you will see there are two samples. It is for our Bulgaria customer. We have ordered the whole pig farm for pig penning system and also the feeding system, water supply system. Before we already has doing the mass production. This is the sample that we install for them because as I said, before we do the large production, we will make a sample installation and to check its function and take pictures, videos to our customer. Unless they are satisfied with the design and there is no need to do some modification, we will produce it in large quantity. You can see all the penning systems are produced in our factory. Just now we see the column that we produced by our laser cutting machine and also the bending machine. And also the PVC, we have the PVC production line. This one is 50 centimeter height. It's for the wiener pigs. And also the plastic floor. We also produce the plastic floor. It's in the third workshop. Later we will see our different sizes of plastic floor. And you can see that our wiener, the stainless steel pig feeder for the wiener crate. And we have different choices. Some customers they may be interested in the plastic dry wet feeder. We can also supply them with this feeder. Okay, let's move on to another workshop. And as I said just now, if customers say that they contact us in the live show and we can give them promotion for all of our products. The promotion is very big. Okay, let's move on. This is the storage for different accessories of different mounting accessories used for pig crates. Just now we see the laser cutting machine. We cut the different shapes of the small parts, small accessories of the small accessories to use in the pig penning system. And we will, because it's a small accessory, we will put in this tank and easy to use and easy to make a package for our different customers. It has the mounting bolts, the fixing feet of the pig crates, and also some locking system in the pig crate system. So even the very small parts we also produce in our factory. You can see that this area is doing the labor welding. For the robot welding, it's for the large production to meet customers' delivery requirements. and it's the standard product. For the labor welding, it's mainly for the customized product, because customers, they may have their own design for the pig crates. So we will use the labor welding to give them better service. Okay, let's move to the second workshop. The second workshop is our hot galvanization workshop. It is also one of our main advantages. Some other factory, they only do the bending, welding in their own factory, but for hot galvanization, they will make hot galvanization in other factory. In this way, the quality cannot be assured. But for our company, we produce the hot galvanization. We do the hot galvanizing in our own workshop. When we do the welding and bending, the black part of the pig crease will come from the first workshop and then move to the second workshop for the hot galvanization. We not only do hot galvanization for our own products, we also can do hot galvanization for other products like the chicken cage, like the lifts. Okay, let's go inside and have a look. You can see that when the black part of the pig crease come from the first workshop and we move it to the second workshop, that is to our hot galvanization workshop, then it will do the we will hang up and do the acid cleaning, that is pickling, then do the preparation work for the hot galvanization. Then we will hang again and move to the hot galvanizing workshop and do the hot galvanization. This is our hot galvanization pot. Let's come near and have a look. For this area, you can see that our worker is doing the making it smooth, doing the polishing for the finished products, because after galvanization there may be some burr, some that will be hurt pigs. So we will make it smooth. Okay, let's move on. This is the process that I said just now. We hang up the black part of the pig crease and then do the acid cleaning, pickling, and then do some preparation work for the hot galvanization. Then make it clean. Then we will do hot galvanization here. After hot galvanization, we will make it cool. Then we will do the passivization. The passivization is also very important part, because if we don't have passivization, the color of the zinc layer is not shiny, not beautiful, and also the protection function for the anti-corrosion is not so strong. So we will do the passivization. It is for the hot galvanized product with good color and with good function of acid and alkaline resistance. Because if we don't do the passivization, the zinc will be after in the air, it will be oxidation. So it's not good for its anti-corrosion function. So passivization is very important part. And after passivization, we will do the cleaning. And after cleaning and cooling and passivization, we will put it here to do the last work. It's the polishing. It's also very important part to make good quality of hot galvanization product. Because after galvanization, there are maybe some liquid of the zinc to have the small burr. Our worker will smooth it to make the surface very smooth without burr, not curved peaks.咱要测一下那个吸层吗？After hot galvanization, our quality staff will check the zinc layer to check if it is meet the requirement of the zinc layer thickness. Usually the thickness, when it is above 80 to 120 mm, it is within the good quality. Let's have a check. 是不是给提起来？这样能看到的。Okay, let's check different parts. Because we not only check one area of the peak crease, we will check different areas to check if all the parts are hot galvanized with good quality. Let's see the numbers. 你测吧，你测我看。It's 92. It's 100, more than 100. It's 96. It's more than 100. And it's 95. We will check different parts to make sure that all parts are hot galvanized with good quality. This is 90. This is 107. If the hot galvanization, some parts are the zinc layer thickness is within 80 μm, we will remove the zinc layer and do hot galvanization again. Okay, it's 89. Okay, all is above the standard level. You can see that after polishing, the surface is very smooth with very good quality. And we not only can do hot galvanization for our own peak crease, we also can do the hot galvanization for other products. Let's come this way and have a look to see that the other products that we do the hot galvanization. And if a customer is in the live show is interested interested in our hot galvanization technology, and they have their product drawing, we can process in our factory and do hot galvanization. Please contact us if you have interest in our hot galvanization technology. Okay, let's move on. You can see there it's a lift. it's a lift that we do for hot galvanization. So hot galvanization is one of our big advantages. So we not only produce all parts for the pig crates, we also do hot galvanization by our own company. Okay, let's move to the third workshop. Okay, let's move to the third workshop. The third workshop is for the raw material storage for some ready-to-ship product storage, and also our plastic floor production line is also in the third workshop, and also some samples, product samples is also in the third workshop. This is our storage area for ready-to-ship products. This is the products for Tang Renshen, our one of our customers in China. It is also one big group companies in China, and our each product that ready to ship has this card to show the quantity of the package and also the weight for each pieces, and also who is responsible for these pig crates, and also the specification, the size of these pig crates. It's the set store of gestation crate. Let's see, the size is 2.3 millimeter length, and the height is above 1 meter, and the quantity is 45. Each weight is 23.15 kilogram, and also there is a date on it, and the name of quality control staff, name of the storage staff, and also the product number. Okay, let's move on. Over there, it's our third workshop. This area is the storage area. And you can see over there, there are 3 loading machines. That one is the loading platform for foreign customers to load products into container. And this one, Hengyin machine, is used for domestic product delivery. The products below, under this machine, is ready to be delivered. Maybe this afternoon, we will deliver to our Chinese customer. And you can see this is the hot galvanization product that we do hot galvanization for other products. Okay, let's go to the third workshop. The third workshop is for the plastic floor production. We have different sizes and different cross-section of plastic floor. And we have a plastic floor for not only the piglets, but also the plastic for fattening pigs. Usually, in fattening house, we will use the concrete floor, but we have developed our own plastic floor for fattening house. If some customer has questions, you can ask in the live show. And we also have a promotion in live show. If customers say that he come to our contact us from the live show, we will give them very good promotion. Okay, let's go to the third workshop. Okay, let's move on. Here you will see our plastic floor injection molding machine. We have dozens of molds with different sizes to produce the plastic floor. Okay, wait a moment. If you have any questions about our factory, about our products, please contact us. Okay, let's go inside. This is the storage of our plastic floor. We can make different color of plastic floor. The white color, the blue color, the orange color, and also the green color, the black color. For fattening pigs, the plastic floor usually it is black color. For winner pigs, customer may like the orange color or blue color. And our plastic floor can also be used in the goat farm. For these customers, they prefer the green color. We have different machines to produce the plastic floor because mainly our order is large quantity, so one machine is not enough. So we have several machines to produce the plastic floor. Okay, let's go inside and have a look. This is a product just produced by our worker. And the process will be, we will put the raw material. Let's have a look at the raw material. We use the pure PP material. It is 100% pure PP, no recycled material. And to ensure the good quality, long lifespan of the plastic floor. And we just add some color material in it. Let's see the raw material. It's the Sinopac PP material. It's the pure material for produce plastic floor. Okay, let's look at the process. The raw material will mix in this area, and then heating, and then make a shape, and then we will make it cooling and do the smooth of the surface. After the surface is smooth, the worker will package directly. It is eight pieces for one package. This is just packed by our worker. It's eight pieces. It's a 60 by 60 plastic floor used for winner pigs. Let's look at the process. Okay, this is one plastic floor just come out from the machine, and our worker will do the will smooth the surface. Okay, let's move on. Here you will see that we have dozens of different molds to produce plastic floor. This is our different mold. So we can produce many different sizes. The sizes of 60 by 60 centimeter, 60 by 40 centimeter, 60 by 30 centimeter, and also with different cross section. I will show you in that area. You can see that this is our different types of plastic floor. This is a solid floor. It is used in the feed area to avoid the feed waste. This is used in the winner crate. And the orange one is the round section plastic floor. It has a much higher bearing capacity. It can reaches 420 kilogram per reinforcement. And you can see all of our different sizes, different types of plastic floor, we can do installation together. So there's no problem if you choose different designs, different cross-section of our plastic floor. This is a flat section. This is round section. This is a circular section. Okay, let's move that way. You can see this plastic floor. The size is 60 by 30. It's the plastic floor used for fattening pigs. Our Bulgaria customer is very interested with these products, and we sent them samples, and they plan to use it in their fattening house. In the advantage of this plastic floor for fattening pigs is that it's easy to clean. And for the high building raising, if we raise pigs in the high building, it's good to use this fattening. Use this plastic floor in the fattening pigs. This plastic floor is researched and developed by our company. It has two different types. This one is a flat floor. You can see this one is some parts are solid, some part is has a hole. It's used for the feeder under feeder to avoid the feed waste. And you can see these joints is also developed by 这是那个 it's developed by our own company. It's for liquid feeding system. We have developed and researched our own liquid feeding system. We developed the computer control system for liquid feeding. Later, I will show you our sample of the liquid feeding system. And from here, you can see the different section of the plastic floor. This is the round section plastic floor. It has the advantage of high bear capacity, and it's easy to leak pig manure and easy to clean. If you use it in the winter crate, the lifespan is very long and very easy to leak manure. And its bearing capacity is more than 420. We have to do the test report for this product. If a customer is interested in it, we can send you the test report, and we also have a CE certificate for this product. This one is the flat section of the plastic floor. This one, the bearing capacity is around more than 250 kilogram. We also do the test report for this product, and it's cost effective. For this one, is a little bit expensive. Some customer, if they require high quality, they will choose this one. And for this one, it's cheaper, and it's the barrel capacity is enough for the winner peaks. This is the different color of the plastic floor. And we also have one machine to check the barrel capacity of this plastic floor. Let's come that way, and we check the flex section of the plastic floor. It's more than 250 kilogram for the barrel capacity. Now let's move that way to check the barrel capacity of this plastic floor. Okay, let's go. 好，测一个，整块的吗？行行。Okay, let's check the barrel capacity for one reinforcement of the plastic floor. You see the number. Just now it reaches 280, more than 300 kilogram barrel capacity, and the plastic floor is no problem. So the barrel capacity is enough for the winner pigs, and also the pigs for in the firing crate. Plastic floor and PVC panel, both of these products are also our main products, and also the seamless steel pig feeder. And for our own factory, you can see we make good use of our own product. This is the PVC panel, our PVC panel. We use it for the partitions of our factory. And you can see it's very good to do the installation. It's we also for our South Korean customer, they use a lot for this PVC panel. Okay, let's move on. As I said, in the third workshop, we also have the showroom in the third workshop. And for this area, it's some small parts of the products used in pig penning system, feeding system, and we make storage here to make good use. Let's come this way to check the to see our samples, different samples of products. This one is our liquid feeding system. This is wholly developed and researched by our company. And in China, we have one exhibition. It's called the Lehman Conference Exhibition. We will put this in the exhibition. And also we developed the control system, the computer control system of the liquid feeding system. Now you can see the product is running. And this is also the sample that we plan to put it in our exhibition. And you can see that the plastic floor for fattening pigs, gestation pigs are used in our gestation crate. And also the small, we also produce the small parts used in the pig crates. This is the crates for the fastening pegs. The PVC panel, this PVC panel is 75 centimeter high. If customer has different requirements, we can use the 50 centimeter high with 3 pipes, or 75 centimeter high with 2 pipes, or we can use 90 centimeter with 1 pipe, or we can use the totally 1 meter height PVC panel. Because in different area, people the temperature is different. In Russia, the temperature is very in Russia it is very cold, so customer may like the PVC panel with higher. It may like the higher PVC panel. For the customer in Philippines, sometimes they don't use the PVC panel. They use the pig crates, the hot galvanized pig crates. Okay, let's come this area. This is our patent product. It's the welfare firing crate. It's for the good environment for the south, to give the large space for the firing pigs, firing south. This is the standard product of the firing crate. You can see that we use the hot galvanized floor for the south. We also have the cast iron floor. This floor is also processed and do hot galvanization in our factory. And for this firing crate, we can make different designs according to some customers' requirements. And for our company, we already have several designs for customers to choose. If they have their requirements, we can make drawing according to their requirements and produce samples and send them to check. After they satisfy with the sample, we will make large production. And you can see this is the liquid feeding system. We also do the liquid feeding system, a dry feeding system for our customer, according to their requirements. And as I said, we not only produce pigs, we also have our own pig farm. In not far from our factory, we have one pig farm around 4,500 pigs. So we not only produce pig farm equipment, we know how to raise pigs, so that we can give better service to our customers. We supply the turnkey project from the pig farm set selection to pig farm design, equipment production, and equipment installation, and also after sales service. So if some customer is interested in our products, please contact us from the live show. And if you customers say that they contact us from the live show, we can give them good promotion. It's a very big promotion. Okay, if some customer has questions, please contact us. And we have promotion in this live show. Please, it is a very good promotion. The deadline is 30th March this month. So please contact us, and we can give you the very good promotion. Okay, this is the live show of our Hengyin factory. And if you have some questions, or if you are interested in some of our products, please contact us. Thank you. See you next time.